Hi, I'm Vanessa Hardy with Long and Foster, and I want to talk to you today about selling a home in DC where that home is owned by an estate. This can be a very common occurrence in Washington, DC because we have so many homes here that are 100 plus years old. That means you could have a lot of families dealing with selling a property that has decades worth of personal property, furniture, collectibles, paperwork, and deferred maintenance all in that house. So, this is a lot to deal with at a time that can already be very charged emotionally. Good news is you do not have to deal with all of these moving parts on your own. I help families to coordinate the process of dealing with donation services, collection services to remove personal property, and of course, to help coordinate with all the paperwork that you're going to need to sell as a personal representative of the estate. In DC, timing really matters. There can be issues with vacant property status. Of course, as I said, with all of the estate paperwork, and also there can be serious concerns with deferred maintenance. And if these issues aren't addressed, they can become very expensive. So, my goal is to make this process smoother, calmer, more manageable. If you're handling a property owned by an estate in DC or in Northern Virginia, I am definitely here to be a resource. Please feel free to reach out. Thanks.